Good afternoon, student. Welcome to the VBPS e-learning classes. In the previous video, I have explained you the role of the Constitution part 2. Today I am going to explain the third part. Okay? That is part 3. Now, this is also the main topic, need of the why do we need the Constitution. Okay? So, another important function of a constitution in a democratic society is to protect the less privileged group against the misuse of power and privileged by a dominant and more powerful group. In the less privileged group, it is including like the poor people, the beggar, the minority groups, this all. So the majority group is likely to impose its interest and desire on the minority group. So the interests of the minority are subjected to those of the majority who are able to impose their decision which go against the interest of the minority. This is called the tyranny of the majority. Tyranny means the unfair and the cruel use. Okay, children? Now, all questions concerning the society should not be left to numbers. Every community has certain basic and the inalienable right which are fundamental to its growth and development. इसका मतलब कि हर एक समुदाय के पास उनके फंडामेंटल राइट्स हैं, उनके कुछ नेचुरल राइट्स हैं जो उनको दिए गए हैं उनके ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट के लिए. These rights need to be protected by a governments. All citizens are equal before the law. In our country, there are several minority communities like the Muslim, Christian, Sikh, this all. So up to here it is clear, children. So here I want to say that the Constitution lay down rules which protect the right and interest of the minority community. Now I am writing the point. You can see here that another important function of a constitution in a democratic society is to protect against misuse of power and privileged by a dominant or more powerful group. Up to here it is clear. Now you can write the majority group is likely. You can write this point also, that the majority group is likely its interest and desire on the minority group and to prevent this means to protect the domination of the minority by the majority is also the function of the constitution, is also the function of the constitution. Okay children, up to here it is clear. And many of the students have asked me whether you have to write it in the fair copy or not. So if you want to note down, then you please note down in the rough copy, because it is the main point. Whenever you are revising the chapter, at that time you can read that topic. So no need to write in the fair copy, but you should not, if you want to note it, then you note down in your rough copy. Okay children, the remaining part of the role of the constitution I will explain in the next video. Thank you class.